Hi there, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the Canon RF50 1.8 lens. This is my first lens for my new R6 camera. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and open it. This is purchased brand new, not refurbished or anything. I think it was about 100, I want to say 150, 170, somewhere close like that. And there she is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!